On what date did Magicorp borrow $450,000 from the bank at a 6.75% simple interest rate? If we know the debt was settled on February 28th with a payment of $466,000. Let's go ahead and use our I equals PRT formula, and solving for T we get I over PR. Next, we know that the interest is the future value minus the principal amount. Taking our $466,000 and subtracting our $450,000 gives us an interest of $16,000. Now we can come back for our formula for T. We're going to input the interest of $16,000, our principal amount of $450,000, and our rate of 6.75%. Simplifying this expression, we get T is about 0.5 to 67489. And we know that T is given here in years, so we want to take T years and multiply it by 365. And this should give us how many days that have passed since paying off our loan. Multiplying our value for T by 365, we get about 192.26 days. And let's go ahead and let's round this up to 193 days. The last step of our question here is to go into our calculator and use the DBD feature. So we've just found out the number of days of our loan, 193. We're going to input that as the DBD number. And then scrolling back to the premise of our question, we know that the amount was settled on February 28th. So let's go to date 2. I already have it programmed in as February 28th, 2023. But let's go ahead and program it in again so you can see what that looks like. 2.2823. Hit the enter key. And then let's scroll up to date number 1 and ask the calculator to compute this date. And our calculator gives me, in the previous year, it should be around August the 19th. So we conclude that the initial principal amount of $450,000 was borrowed around August the 19th of the preceding year.